String methods. Swap case. Return a copy of the string with uppercase characters converted to lowercase and vice versa. Note that it is not necessarily true that s.swapcase is equal to s. Let's see the example. Print a b c d e f dot swap case a b c d e dot swap case a b c d e f, right? As a str.title, return a title cased version of the string where words start with an uppercase character and the remaining characters are lowercase. For example, hello world.title. This will make this W capital. The algorithm uses a simple language independent definition of a word as groups of consecutive letters. The definition works in many contexts, but it means that apostrophes in contractions and possessives form word boundaries, which may not be the desired result. They are Bill's friends from the UK. So output of this will be T capital and then B capital, F capital, T capital, UK, and K is small. This is not the desired result. S is also capital. R is also capital. This is not the desired result. The string.cap words function does not have this problem as it splits words on spaces only. Alternatively, a workaround for apostrophes can be constructed using regular expression. Cap words. Cap words. Okay. It is not in cap words. Okay, this is not import re and then try to print title case, and this time it will print. Okay, we need to print it like this. This time there is no issue. So re.sub, this will be covered later video.